If you want to see how I made these 3 beautiful press-on nail sets, not using no acrylic, only gel polish, keep on watching and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more. Welcome back to Liyahs Nails, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I will be doing an Amazon review on this company. I'm saying Amazon review because the company is on Amazon, so that's why I kind of want to put it out there, because I know a lot of people, you know, they're not known as the brand, they don't like to shop, and I'm kind of the same way. So I want to let you guys know that they are on Amazon. And so the name of their company is Volkswear. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I don't want to butcher it. So it's Voxury. They emailed me about doing a collaboration, and I'm kind of happy that they did, because guys, I just opened this package and I started like just picking up different ones to see like how they kind of look. And when I tell you, I was like, oh my god, baby, what? So let me first give y'all the coupon. It's IKQFBR32, and it's for 10% off, and it's valid from June 12th to August 31st. And they're also on Facebook. Let me get their information. Their YouTube and Facebook is Roseland Beauty. Their Instagram is Roseland Official, and their TikTok is Roseland Beauty Nails. And I'll put all that stuff on the screen and in the description down below, just in case you guys want to check them out. And I'm gonna try and link the exact kit that I got off their Amazon in the description down below as well. But guys, I get you now, when I ordered this, do y'all see this? Like, I'm sorry, but do y'all see this? This is the exact definition of a nut white. Like, even I can't make this nut white. I mean, I can, but theirs come like this. Like, bro, I'm sorry, it looks so beautiful, and it comes like that. I didn't have to make it, it came like that. And here's the next one. This is just like a white. Next, I'm just gonna show all of these because I want you guys to see like this whole collection. Save the best for last. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 12 polishes. So I'm just gonna go right here on my phone. I'm gonna look up the exact one. Oops, sorry, I'm typing in their name. I'm gonna go to Amazon because they're on Amazon. I'm gonna type in their name. Oops, wait, hold on. Please load. Okay, pastel. This is the one that I have right here, and it's retail price at $24. You actually save 35% when you apply this coupon. You can apply that coupon and then go to checkout and still apply my coupon. So let me see. They have reviews. Yeah, they have 2 reviews on that one. And then if you go to their page, let's see. They have like 119 reviews, 23. Like they're known, okay, and it seems like all the reviews are 4.5, so that's pretty good for them not to have that many reviews. That's actually pretty good. So if you guys love how these nail sets come out, make sure you guys go and shop, and make sure you use my code. I will put it on the screen again, and get your 10% off on top of the 35 coupon that they have going on. But I hope you guys end up enjoying this video. If you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing 3 different sets in today's video. The footage of me applying the base coat onto the first set, it got lost within me editing, so I do apologize about that. That's why I started on the second set, but the first set will resume once I'm done with this. Okay, and this is the 3rd set. Like I said, I already found you, put it on there. It's a size small. You now apply the base coat. Okay, and now back to the first set that I did. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the first coat onto it. Just because it saves on time, you don't have to go and re-wet them. Let them on. I'm not sure if y'all able to see it, but it is, I did apply one layer of silky white. I'm calling it silky white, but nut white, whatever you do want to call it. Now I'm about to add some butterfly decals to it. And these are all of my butterfly decals that I do have, but I think I'm gonna be choosing from this one today. That one, or let's see. I think I'm gonna do a mixture. I think I'm gonna do these two since they come out the same material. This. And I'm looking for it. Okay. I'm gonna be using these two. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're kind of like the same kind of material of butterflies. And then let's take that down. Okay, let's see. These. White polish out this kit. I'm still gonna use the stick polish on one of the nails, but I kind of want more of a white look on the other ones. And their white polish still looks very light. It's not too thick or anything. I'll be using my cosmetic wedges, and I'll just get one out of here. I got these from Walgreens, I think, because I couldn't find them nowhere. Was it Walgreens? It was some store. They usually have them in Dollar Tree, Dollar General, but I could not find them in one. So I went to, I think it was Walgreens I went to find them. And got a splitter right here. And this is just so it goes on a lot more smoother. Okay, I'm just gonna do the second coat on these, and I'm going to add the index finger, the design on it as well. This is how these nails turned out. It's kind of just a simple design. It's not too complex. Sometimes some designs can just be simple because they just got it like that. And I think this is one of them designs that you didn't have to do too much and it still comes out beautiful. So now I'm just about to apply the Nailz gel top coat. Sometimes I have to turn it upside down because it be about to run out, but I'm gonna get every last little drop. So my bad, guys. When recording this, I didn't realize that the first nail I did showing this, I was out of frame, so I just deleted it because there's no point of putting it on the video if you guys couldn't see what I was doing. So luckily I did it on both nails, like recorded it on both nails so you guys can see like how I did it. But I basically just took the cotton, not the cotton, the cosmetic wedge, and do what I do with all my ombre and just kind of ombre on it. You could paint it over, but I kind of just wanted to ombre it to see like how it would look. Okay, and then just like always, I'll just take my clear polish. And I'll just paint over the whole nail since it's gonna be like a full nail design. I'll get my dotting pen, dot just a little bit of clear polish onto it, and then start placing rhinestones. Usually I place the big one first. Get nail tweezers to pick it up depending on how big it is. Sometimes they go, sometimes they don't. And then just place it where you want it. Just right there. Have to be kind of careful because sometimes it will move. And then I'm just gonna place my rhinestones. We're gonna do it.
this is how the nails turned out. I think each set turned out beautifully, and I am so in love. So like I said, I'll pop the coupon up there once again. Make sure you use it to receive 10% off your purchase. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of these videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.